Hey everybody, T.O. from Art Geek Teaching. Today we're going to look at Photoshop and how you can make sure that you are not allowing them to scrape your data, your information, to train their AI. Coming up. Okay, so there's been a lot of information about AI in the past 6 months, especially in the past 3 months. It has just exploded, and I don't want to get into the big debate about how bad AI is, or if it's bad, or if it's good. It doesn't really matter where we stand on those things. It doesn't need to be a divisive measure for us. For me personally, I think it's going to be a tool. There's a lot of challenges with AI specific to copyright, and I think some of those challenges need to be worked out. There probably needs to be some oversight, but having said that, AI is not going away. And so AI can produce a better painting, a better photograph than I can, and it can do it fast. So what I have to do is decide maybe what I'm going to do in terms of using it for a tool. Boycotting it is not going to do me any good because it's not going away. So anyway, what I do want to make sure that I do is to make sure that if someone is using my information to train their AI, they have my permission. So that brings us directly to Photoshop. I'm going to open up Photoshop, maybe. Yeah, here we go. I'm just going to go to my account in Photoshop and go to Account and Security. Click on that, and it brings you to this page. And then scroll down and look at this right here, Content Analysis. And it says, Adobe may analyze your content using techniques such as machine learning for pattern recognition to develop and improve our products and services. If you prefer that Adobe does not analyze your files to develop and improve our products and services, you can opt out of the content analysis at any time. This setting does not apply to certain limited circumstances, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But you can see here I've switched mine off. It was on. I think it is on automatically unless you go in here and switch it off. So all I'm going to do is just go in and switch that off. Okay, the other thing I want to look at though is right here under Content Analysis. This setting does not apply in certain limited circumstances. Let's see what those circumstances are. So when you click on that, it takes you to the frequently asked questions page. And if you scroll down, overview, they're saying how, blah, 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 how will they protect your privacy? Can I turn off or opt out of content analysis for product improvement? This tells you how to do it. The next one down, however, if I can get down there, when does content analysis opt out not apply? Well, if you read through there, if you're using Adobe stock, they're going to use it for machine learning and you cannot opt out. So not a big deal if you know about it. If you don't know about it, it is a big deal. And so this way at least you can decide whether or not you want to allow your imagery to be used to train their AI. If that is not a problem for you, no problem, keep using Adobe stock. If you're using Adobe stock and that is a problem for you, you're going to need to wipe your files off of Adobe stock and not use it anymore. So anyway, that is it. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.